Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, today we will write the English essay Trees Our Best Friend. So student, let us write. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लिखने जा रहे हैं इंग्लिश essay Trees Our Best Friend. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Trees are man's best friend. Many Indians worship trees as gods. Trees are of great value of all living beings. The different parts of trees are useful to man in various ways. They add to our wealth and protect us. Trees give us wood, flowers, fruits, nuts, gums, and so many other products. They provide the right environment for human beings, animals, and birds. The deep roots of trees help to bind the soil together and prevent soil erosion. Trees attract rain and keep the air around us cool and fresh. The leaves of trees give out valuable oxygen, so the fellings of trees is very harmful to mankind. As the human population increase, people cut down trees for firewood and for creating space for farming, settling and constructing buildings. They fell trees thoughtlessly. Everyone should realize the need to protect, save and grow more trees. We must remember the Chipko movement in Garhwal, Uttar Pradesh under the leadership of Sant Sardar Bahuguna. Even many years ago, the Bishnoi tribe of Rajasthan protect the tree from access by hugging the trees and welcoming death. We too must fight against the felling of trees. The greenery of trees stays not only our eyes but also our mind. Trees are God's great gift to man. We must preserve them for our own survival. Harming trees is harming ourselves. We must plant and grow more trees for our own bright future. Thanks for watching my videos. प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए। और हाँ बच्चों, चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए, वहाँ पर आपके एजुकेशनल वीडियोस अपलोड किए हुए हैं, उसका फ़ायदा उठाइए।